Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up, I think this is my 6th box of World Baseball Classic 2023. These are online exclusive, and it is a creaky box. So maybe we'll end it on a cool relic card. Maybe. Definitely is creaking a little bit. It says you can look for one autograph or autograph patch card per box. Obviously, I've been really wanting to get these patch cards. And this was online exclusive, so you couldn't go to like the hobby shop and feel all the boxes and see, ooh, this one squeaks. This one's creaky. No, they were on sale at Topps.com, and they just sent you a box. I didn't get to pick one. Alright, there's the pack. Definitely fat. Can we end it on... this one doesn't have a thick card either. And the lid just doesn't fit tight on these, even if you don't have a relic card. So the creaky box theory, I think it has some merit, but it's obviously not guaranteed. Vinny the Pasquatch from Italy. Alright. Joey Meneses from Mexico. Let's go from the back. Jaden Rudd from Great Britain. Next one. If we can get this paper out of the way. Robbie Glendenning from Australia. Okay. Tommy Edman from South Korea. Kenley Jansen from Netherlands. We haven't had any numbered cards in this box. So I thought you were guaranteed numbered cards, but maybe not. Ooh, we did get a gold. We did get a gold. Let's see what this back card is. Freddie Freeman from Canada. All right, what's this gold? 39 out of 50. Jorge Alfaro from Colombia. Ooh, we got orange. Something orange. Ah, nice. Shohei Ohtani. That was definitely one of the ones I wanted to pull of the captains. Very cool. And an orange auto, apparently. I think that's Team USA. 1 out of 25. Pete Alonso. Hey, that's pretty cool. Alright, so we can end it on a really cool card right there. That's a nice looking card with the orange and that ice sparkly stuff. And it's number 1 out of 25. Pete Alonso. Autograph variation card. Okay. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Guys, if you get a chance to get a box of this, go for it. It's pretty awesome. I wouldn't buy a box off eBay, though, because I think people can tell if there's a thick card just by feeling the box like this. But you never know. I mean, you can get really nice autos without having a relic card in there. But it is kind of cool to get the relic ones. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.